So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can convert any web article or any web page into PDF. So it's like you found a good article in the internet, or you have your exams and you found some questions, or you found a research paper. Then how you can convert this thing into PDF? So for this, what you have to do, you see this icon, extension icon, click on this manage extension, click on this. Now here search for this turn web page to PDF. Now here you will see this. There are other extensions also, but this one works very good. It's quick, so I prefer you download this. So you see that I will show you this thing, how quick this is. Click done. So you just need this extension. I will give you this extension link in the description, so no need to visit this extension store. Directly from the description link you can get this extension. So you see this, how easy it is. You see this, I got everything. You see this, everything. So this is what you need. You need this extension and all done. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this is, then give this video a like and do subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you and bye bye.